Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at a Homelite Super E Z chainsaw. This is a 2.3 cubic inch, made in 1970. And if you like vintage American-made chainsaws, this is probably one of the most popular models that Homelite made. It has a automatic and manual oiler. It has a decompression valve right here. Push that in, throttle lock it. And you know, for the age, for 1970, it's still a good old saw. Sprocket nose, 3/8 chain, chisel bit skip, and it does run good. Isn't that nice for about a 40-year-old chainsaw? That's back when American-made chainsaws were really popular. We'll go outside to the log deck now and make a cut with it.